Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the correct Outlook account. This matters because groups are tied to your tenant and permissions. Once in, open the Outlook desktop app or go to Outlook on the web and choose the People or Groups section. Make sure you have the exact group name or invitation handy. It speeds the search and reduces errors. If your organization restricts external joins, contact IT first. Now click the search field for groups to begin the actionable steps. You locate the group by typing its name into the group search or by filtering to public or private listings. This helps you avoid similarly named groups. Once you select the group, read the description and membership rules to understand expectations and data access. This explains why some groups are private. If Join is visible, click it. For private groups, choose Request or Ask to Join and write a concise message stating your purpose. Wait for approval, and check your notifications. You finish by confirming membership in your groups list or the Outlook sidebar. Once accepted, you'll see the group mailbox, calendar, and files. If approval doesn't arrive, follow up with the group owner or your manager because manual approvals are common and explain why delays happen. If buttons are missing or errors appear, clear browser cache or sign out and sign back in, and make sure you use the correct account. If problems persist, contact IT with screenshots for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.